Good afternoon, or good morning to those of you who are watching via webcast. My name is Susan Polan. I'm the Associate Executive Director for Public Affairs and Advocacy at the American Public Health Association, and I am so pleased to welcome you to the National Public Health Week Kickoff Forum, Healthiest Nation 2030, Raising the Grade, and to begin the celebration of National Public Health Week with you. As some of you know, this is the 20th anniversary of National Public Health Week, officially proclaimed by President Clinton in 1995, and we are awaiting, truly, momentarily, the presidential proclamation from President Obama this year to celebrate the 20th anniversary and all the good work that you and the rest of the public health community do. So thank you for being here. Thank you for all that you do. I want to talk a little bit about some of the background of National Public Health Week and the American Public Health Association, and then it will be my honor to introduce our keynote speaker. The Healthiest Nation Kickoff Forum and National Public Health Week is really the beginning of APHA's 15-year challenge of creating the healthiest nation in one generation. This is a daunting and exciting goal, and we are doing this in partnership with all of the organizations that are part of National Public Health Week and all of the organizations and individuals who are interested in participating. It is something that we recognize we cannot do without involvement of everybody in the community. And it's one of the reasons why an important piece of this National Public Health Week is the pledge that we've put forward. And we hope that all of you have signed on and all of you tell all of your friends and family to sign on. And the pledge is really very much about what works for me and how are we going to do this together, because you as an individual have the responsibility and the opportunity to be healthy, but you as an individual can't do it alone. So we have to work together as part of a community to create the healthiest nation. There are some things that we cannot fix alone, and that's really what we're going to try and focus on over the course of the next 15 years. This is the kickoff event, and this is always very exciting. And for those of you who are watching, we are also following, we hope that you will follow this on Twitter. You will live feed those of you who are sitting here and want to participate in the Twitter chat. We'd love that, using the hashtag NPHW. And at the end, for those of you who are watching on the webcast, please feel free to send us questions or throughout using that hashtag, NPHW. In addition, we'll be having a Twitter chat that's a more formal process on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern, and so we hope that you'll all participate in that. You can become part of the truly thousands of people who participate in the Twitter chat, and it really does make for a great conversation, and it's a great way to hear from and learn about public health from people ranging from Dr. Richard Besser, who is with ABC News, to Dr. Tom Frieden, who's the head of the Centers for Disease Control, as well as our Surgeon General, so we hope that you all will participate in that. We have a contest going on for National Public Health Week, which is also kind of a fun thing to do, because really, as I said, we can change by ourselves, and we can change as part of a community. So please send us pictures of how you're changing and what you're doing to create the healthiest nation and what you're doing better. You can submit a video, you can submit a meme, you can submit whatever you think is appropriate using social media, so we hope you will do that. Finally, we have a whole array of other events around the country. And if you go to the nphw.org, you can find out what's going on in your community and find out what else is happening and how we're hoping to create the healthiest nation. With that, it is really my pleasure to introduce our keynote speaker, as soon as technology catches up with me. Dr. Gail Christopher is the Vice President for Policy and the Senior Advisor at the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Dr. Christopher is involved in the President's Cabinet in this role, helping to determine the overall direction of the foundation. She's a nationally recognized leader in health policy with particular expertise and experience in the issues related to social determinants of health, health inequities, and public policy issues of concern to our nation's future. Her distinguished career and contributions to public service were honored in 1996 when she was elected as a Fellow of the National Academy of Public Administration. In 2011, she was awarded a Change Agent Award by the Schott Foundation for Public Education, and she currently serves as the President of the Board for the Trust for America's Health. So please welcome, join me in welcoming Dr. Christopher.